how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. My name's Maggie from Spiced by Maggie. And this channel also used to be called Mike and Maggie, and it was in collaboration with my husband, and we were supposed to do like adventure travel vlogs, but that really didn't happen. So I decided that it's time to change my channel name to just me. So I post lifestyle vlogs, recipes, and anything that comes to my head. And so today what I'm sharing with you is a challenge, and that is the celery juice challenge that I did for 7 days.
I've been traveling the world, so many voices that invite me to come back, and all the memories I get. I've made this song for you to see you smile again.
And I want to also say that this is my experience and the benefits that I've experienced. So everyone might experience things differently. Also, I want to just say to make sure you do your research before you do anything and not just go off by what someone else says. So, nevertheless, let's get started. I do not have a juicer, however, I do have a Vitamix blender, so I made sure I use that to my advantage. And I typically always purchased organic celery. I made sure I properly washed it. I chopped it into little cubes and added a splash of water into my Vitamix to kind of ease up the process of blending it. And then I used a nut milk bag to basically get the juice out and leave the pulp behind in the bag, and the juice came out, wow, amazing. Also, I want to mention the fact that I did not use the celery juice as a meal replacer. I just used it to my benefits, and I still ate my regular 3 to 4 meals and snacks on top of that. I also waited about 30 minutes or so, just depends the day, until I actually drank my 32 ounces of water and had my breakfast and such. And now I want to go over day by day how I felt and the benefits that I've kind of had just from the course of 7 days. So day 1 and day 2, I was just getting used to the taste of celery juice. It has like this very like earthy taste, like you just feel really good about yourself drinking it. So I was just getting used to the taste, but also day 1 and 2, like I was going to the bathroom so frequently. Like I would get up in the morning, I would go to the bathroom, drink my juice, and then instantly have to go to the bathroom. And I'm talking about number 2, not number 1. This might be a little bit TMI, but hey, we all do it, right? My digestive system is already amazing, I would have to say. However, the celery juice did take it up a notch. And then on day 3, there was no differences. Day 4, I noticed less bloating. So I would wake up, and typically that is when I have like a flat stomach, like flat, not really flat, but flat for my body type. And then, so on day 4, I was like, woo, I got like this 6-pack, but no, it wasn't a 6-pack, it was just less bloat. And then towards the end of the week, on like day 6, I finally noticed less blemishes popping up. So like I deal with acne on my sides over here as well as my forehead. And that is attributed to the environment that I currently am in. It's very, very dry here, and my skin just overproduces oils as well as stress. And so that's my thinking, and that's what my esthetician thinks as well. But yeah, so by day 6 and 7, I noticed less blemishes popping up, and even the ones that I did have that were like red and I did not pick on, they would kind of diminish slowly. So the benefits to the celery juice is definitely less blemishes, and already previously acne that I had on my skin, it would kind of like diminish little by little. I had a less bloat, and then I would go to the bathroom more frequently than I would without drinking the celery juice. So those are just 3 benefits. Now I also want to say some of the cons, and that is I would always make my celery juice the first thing in the morning. So I would make sure that I had enough time to get up in the morning and make my celery juice. And towards the end of the week, I was getting so lazy. I was like, oh, I have to make this again. So that's just one thing, is just making sure that you have enough time to get up and make fresh celery juice. However, you could always make a bigger batch with a couple celery stalks and then have it for the following day or 2 days even. It's just up to what you want. And then over the course of 7 days, I drank anywhere from 8 to 20 ounces of celery juice. It honestly all just depended upon how I felt. But yeah, those are my benefits, and that is my experience with celery juice. I just wanted to cover that. But if you guys want to see other challenges, make sure you leave a comment down below, because I would love to hear what you guys would like to see. And I would also like to do some more challenges and just challenge myself. Another challenge that I have for myself coming up in a video that I'll share with you guys, is no oil or no processed sugar for 60 to 100 days. Currently, I am on day 11 and I'm feeling so good. I'm even feeling better than when I was just doing celery juice. But I feel like because of the celery juice, that is what kind of kicked my butt on the healthy wagon, and I'm just like all in it. I'm like all in, and I'm ready to feel amazing. I'm ready to thrive. Like, I mean, I already feel amazing, but why not just take it up another notch, right? Alright, so that's going to be coming up in a video shortly. But nevertheless, if you guys really want to stay tuned and see an upcoming video, make sure you guys subscribe, because I would love to have you guys here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and say hi. Alright guys, till next time, bye.